What's happening? Yeah, baby.
Taking tails outdoors, out here.
Taking tails. My nephew, I love him to death, and watch his videos because he's good.
And make sure you subscribe.
He's got good stuff. Yeah, subscribe.
We are killing the bluegills.
What is up, everybody, and how is it going? Today is Friday. I'm out on a lake with Tom Pano.
What's up, guys?
Brought me out to a lake today to catch some bluegills, and we are so far smashing them. I think it's gonna be a good few hours. We have a couple hours to fish, and then we gotta head back. So see if we can get a limit of gills here and maybe go do a little catch and cook, shall we? Eh? Oh, there he. Look at that! Smashed it. He came out of left field.
They're like 6 inchers. We want some 8 inchers.
That's what she said. What's up, guy?
Dude, we're just catching. This is like the biggest size we're catching, and none of those fatties.
Buddy Nate just showed up. Got a few fish on the ice. There he is. On the sweetest nips. And one add him to the pile. Yeah. Yeah, you could kick him over there if you want. I don't know which fish it was. It was a fish.
Oh, don't grab my big one. I think it was this guy. It was just flopping.
Oh. It's a nice pile of fish you got there. Whew. All right, everyone. It is 12 o'clock in the afternoon. We are taking off because Tom is late. His wife said to be home at 11:30. We are now leaving the lake at 12:09. Tom is late.
Got my limit.
Nate is behind us. He's coming. He caught probably his limit within the hour he was here. I kept like 11 fish for myself, but I'm pretty sure we all caught around 100 fish. It was a good morning. It was awesome. It was beautiful out. And now Tom's gonna go home and get yelled at. I might go try to find somewhere else to fish, so let's see what happens this afternoon, guys. Okay, everybody, hope you can see me all right. Hope you can hear me. But just got home a little bit ago and about to fillet these fish. I did not end up going fishing anywhere else. I just came straight back here, so see what we got working. A bag full of fish right here. Got the old Rapala knife. So if any of you are wondering what kind of knife I'm using, just a Rapala electric fillet knife. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not the best at filleting fish, never have been. As soon as I got this, it made it so much easier for me. Let me show you here. So I pretty much just go behind the fin. I let the knife do all the work. Put it on an angle, get it started, get my fingers in there. And the one thing you have to be on is you have to be on an edge, because you need your knife to hang off, and you need the thing about this electric fillet knife is it flexes real good. And then I just let the knife do the work. Come down to the tail. Flip it. Voila. Chunk of meat. Do the other side. And now that I got all my meat here, all I gotta do is just cut around this rib right here on all of them. Like so. Alright, well, I'm done with the process of filleting them. I have them sitting in some salt water right now. They're just brewing around. I'm about to get them some batter made up, put them in the air fryer. We're going to have ourselves a little bit of a snack. Alright, so I just mixed up some flour, pancake mix, a couple seasonings that I like in this bag. I think I'm gonna whip up a little bit of egg, dip the fish in the egg first and then put it in here. I've never cooked fish into an air fryer before. I've never really cooked anything in an air fryer before. So yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. You guys see everything going on? You see what's going on here? Alright. Looks like some good fish, guys. Look at that. You see that piece of fish? Ooh, looks like it'll be good. Got all my fish in there. They look yummy. I think we're going. I can smell it. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It just smells like a good piece of cooked fish. I mean, check this out. Whoo! Hot. It's hot. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Yup. To think this little guy was swimming around about 5 hours ago. That air fryer is awesome. This fish tastes amazing. It's crispy, soft. The seasoning on it, all I used was just flour and seasoning. My seasoning. You can't get it. If this video gets 100 thumbs up, all I'm asking for is 100. I don't even have 100 subscribers yet. If I can get 100 thumbs up, I'll tell you what the seasoning is. But I may be going fishing tomorrow with my brother Sean at it's a stocked bass pond. Well, it's like a private lake. It's a pretty big lake. They stock it with bass, crappies, bluegills, hybrid bluegills, and we might go there tomorrow. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my fish. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, because I had a lot of fun sitting out there catching me some dinner. See you guys tomorrow.